In this video, I'll show you how to use Rollup fields in Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to the workspaces. So on the left-hand side, simply choose workspaces. And within workspaces, this will be the list of all of your bases. So from here, you want to choose a base that you want to work with. Let's say I want to work with my employee workspace. So just simply click on a base. And once you do that, it will automatically take you to its table. Now, depending on the views that you have, by default, it will take you to the grid view. Now, let's say that within my employees, on the very end, I want to link a table. So as you can see here, in order for you to link a table, on the right-hand side, click on the plus sign to add a field. From here, you'll want to choose link to another record. If you can't find it on find a field type, there is a search bar. At the very top, search for link to another record. From here, simply hover your mouse, click on it, and from here you can choose an existing table that you want to set a link record to. So let's say that this is the employees. I want to link this to the tasks. And from here, you can add a field name. Let's just say link. And at the bottom, you can choose the general options such as allowing linking to multiple records, show the display name instead of the primary field, and at the bottom, click on create. Now, once you click on create, it will automatically add the field to your table. It might take some time. And from here, it will ask you to add a lookup field. Let's say I want to do this within the task name and the assignee. So at the bottom, add the two fields. And as you can see, it will automatically add the link. So now let's head over to the exact table that we linked it to. Since this is the employees table, I will head over to task designation. Now, in order for you to find where you linked it, click on the drop down at the bottom, click on edit field. From here, as you can see, it is linked to tasks. So head over to the other table. Now, within the other table, we can actually add a rollup. So on the right-hand side, click on the plus sign to add a field again. From here, you want to simply scroll down to the standard fields and you should see rollup. This looks like a spiral. If you can't find it, there is a search bar, search for rollup. At the bottom, choose rollup. And from here, we can add a field name. Let's say just a rollup. At the bottom, this is where you can choose a field in this table. So let's say I want to find a field such as the employees. At the bottom, click on create. Now, within the employees, you need to find a field that you want to roll up. So as you can see, it will automatically list down all of the fields within the employees table. So let's say we want to get the list of the departments. At the bottom, click on create. And once you do that, it will automatically add that field. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.